Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. maanta waxaa joognaa guriga علشان qof kasta banaanka ma u bixi karaa lahay and abaahileedan yes Soomaali ku hadlayna abaahileedan waxay soo gaday brushes iyo paint kalrooyin ina kala gena so maanta waxaa follow gareynaynaa
Bob Ross tutorial.
so Bob Ross follow gareynaynaa Bob Ross natusi deelinkiyaa way فهمتي قطرة اسكدينا وقلنا شوي إنها فلو قلنا so كودي كان عاد كسو قاعدة الله ما كستمر مرة I feel like this is gonna be terrible call like this شيء كذي عن
Be optimistic. Alright, you did all A levels. I mean GCSEs, maha.
تجعلها كسو كل خبطي
You're doing great, sweetie.
I'll be fine at that honey.
There's no way I can put this on the whole page.
So making little X's
To me.
go all the way across.
With what colour?
Just a
Yellow,
spruce.
bright red.
No, that was the colour that was showing.
Put a little color on the brush. Let's go right up here.
He used that little orangey yellow in it.
Yeah أنا كنا استعمالها واحد استعماله يمكن زي كنا استعمالها واحد جاله نيجا ما قاعد يسمى مقع فني وخبي انتو مريا بايو نو هذا من كوعلي
Somewhere in the middle. The top.
Maybe we'll have a beautiful little sky that's just full of warm colors that, as I say, sort of makes you feel good when you look at it. So making little X's, little crisscross strokes, go all the way across the canvas.
X's like
So.
How
How
can
so?
how
Maybe
can
we'll
it's
have a little
terrible.
water in here. I love
I feel
water.
like mine looks
It's
like
so gorgeous.
diarrhea.
It's very easy to paint
No,
with this
mine looks too
technique.
bad. How it's
Reflecting
patchy as
that
shit.
color right down
Let me
to
see.
the water.
How mine is patchy. I think it's because of the one that I did before. Let me see yours.
Mine's bright. But I mixed all the yellows together. I don't know what this name is doing.
X سميها الآن X سمينا والله. أدوتي حسوا بحاجة. نينك magic أهان وقت تصو بحيان فهمت. So I'm gonna wait for his magic to happen later on. But he blended out very well. His blending techniques عادي ما هنبينكم وشي جاي.
I think it's because of the painting he's using.
ما بحي ناقصك شي حاجة ناقص. Yes. أنا هتطلع كده. I'm gonna blend out. I'm a makeup artist. I can blend shit out, you know.
Yeah.
But this is not blending out.
Use the white. I'm using the white. It's actually blending out with the white.
Is it?
Yeah.
I'm telling you, سيدي مع سيدي ناس تمام معها.
It's not gonna work with these paper thought. It's not some oddly remedies. Mine looks like two blobs.
Same here.
If you see mine, yeah.
Hey, America, well, you can't see mine. I won't see yours.
I know
yeah?
I'm not.
I feel like mine is gonna be fantastic.
At this point, I don't know why we started this. I regret it already. And mine looks like two blobs.
أنا واحد سوينا هيدا. Blend. هتعملها blend. I found a better brush. Foundation brush كاستعمالها عنيها. والله شكلها من influence عنيها. Maybe it will blend better هتعملها.
It has nothing to do with the brush, bro.
It does. I'm sure it does. This is not blended any better.
Told you, it's not the brush.
I wonder if it's a bit done. Do you have any idea?
I'm already regretting this idea. I can't lie to you. Because mine just looks like a child painting.
I think he blends his brush. What is he doing right? That we
Maybe beer.
Here, yellow.
No.
It's gonna make it all thick in it.
Sort of a nice gold color. It's beautiful.
Gold digger. I'm keep harrowed.
And back to the leather. And still, we haven't washed the brush. Just a little bit
Red?
of red. And right up here, making our little X's, little crisscross strokes. We'll add a little bit of that. And red's such a warm color. It just makes you feel good when you look at it.
The way
Makes
his
you
stuff
happy.
is blended
You
out,
almost
how?
can't
I
help
don't know how he's doing it.
Maybe
but
he's doing it very quickly. As soon as he
Just
puts it
sort
on
of
there.
warms up your
I
whole
think
day.
it's the colors he's using. His stuff looks blended out. I want mine to look blended out. Okay, أنا خطرت حرارة والله. شكرا. يا كمان it's so quickly.
I'm stressed.
Let's just blend it out. Can't I handle it? This is worse than blended foundation. والله شكرا. Foundation شيء كذي حنطه. I think it's the fact that he used the oil.
Yeah, no, it's oil painting. The paint is oil. That's why he's able to blend it out. Did you get it?
Why I know detail then?
Because this is the one that I ordered. Guys, learn from us and get oil paint instead of acrylic paint.
Yeah.
Oh, I got it on my skin. Scheisse.
والله شكله حماتي. أنا هذا حتى أنا هم كذي كذا وحلها صبحه.
2 hours later.
It's right there.
Okay, people. So we're still stuck on the. I'm stuck on Cloud's house mountain عادي.
Right into the fabric.
On Cloud cake. باكلون somewhere.
My
This
mountain
chance
is
to
green.
really get tough.
You know what?
Take out all your
Where do we go
Scary.
from there? And my mountain is a blob.
والله شكلهم كذي شو ذا مش سكرت.
Where حماتي?
I don't know عسميني والله لو دي نقوف عسميني مقرناي هاي ود mountain كسمي هاوي.
I'm not.
frustrations and hostility.
أنا Cloud ski أجوجا اسكو قاعدة.
Maybe there's another little
أنا
peek
Cloud
right there.
ski واسكاغو ديخليو.
Wherever you want. This technique is so fantastic because it allows you individuality.
It's really not fantastic, brother. They look like the pyramids in Egypt.
That's okay. You're doing well.
This is not you're doing well, sweetie type of talk.
أنا هروح ناخي أبواي أنا حكاسمي. أنا ما حكاسمي هاوي.
Not gonna lie, it looks like how
الله.
I didn't know how else to describe it.
Got a dry canvas. At this point, you'd be in Agony City because the paint will not move like it does on this wet surface.
That's the issue that we have in.
Liquid what it does, it allows us to actually blend.
I feel like should we literally try? And I'm thinking of trying olive oil in this house.
And it's also an excellent way here
try.
of laying
Oh,
out. Take
I'm
out all your
stressed.
frustrations and hostilities and whatever.
Just causing me Lika.
Maybe there's another little peek right there. Wherever you want. Wherever you want. This technique is so fantastic
No,
because it allows you.
I can
No
attest-
Bob then, no Bob.
I can attest to that.
Mr. Bob, this technique خطر ما هنشاك
You
ده.
are not doing good,
I
sweetie.
just want to show you a technique and turn you loose.
Okay, why did I use white now? Can we give up? Yeah. You actually look like you're doing something though.
The way I'm concentrated.
No, on your paper it looks
Because you don't see it yet. How?
better than my splodge.
ويحسبونه كان no shit بالعفيرين اللي كان ودبيه.
But I want to leave it sort of marble, so there's a lot of things happening in there. Pull the paint out, touch, no pressure. It just falls right down. No pressure. Absolutely no pressure.
I touch no pressure ولا يحاف. تتاوني. أنا ما تعبت وحتعبت مقدر ما أعرف شو حتعبت.
I mean, at this point, I'm not even listening to what he's saying. I'm actually just doing my own thing. Because really, Bob Ross محوكسة, you know what I mean?
ده إحنا قصص ولا إحنا خمالة. إحنا خلا ده سمي.
Starting this thing was غلط, isn't it?
How's yours looking like a mountain?
It's actually.
How's yours looking more of a mountain than mine?
Is it actually? No, yours looks like a proper mountain. What the fuck?
Does it?
Yeah, a bit more like pyramids, but
Yes.
like, you know.
Queen pyramid هذا هنا قديم.
I like that white effect that you're doing. You're not even doing grey.
No.
You stop listening to this.
Yes. مرة على نيجا وحجرنا مجرتك.
I told you.
أنا
You're saying أنا
باخذ.
خرارة حسابية. And I just tried to do what you did and I flopped.
That's why you shall be an inventor. Why not integrated wide there? Listen, we need to pull this up. Green up. America ignore.
I think in a week time after practicing we should do the same one.
You think so?
Yeah. And see our improvement in quarantine. I mean, we have the time.
This is what we've learned. While don't know كلفتي. إن نقول تشوك no.
شخلعان.
شغلان كنا هيسو.
blue to my color just so it shows up a little better and you can see it. There.
Oh.
وان قرتي مستر
Like I have
بابو.
no space to mix my stuff.
مستر باب أنا حتى سبيس مخنسته.
Shadow. It doesn't have its own shadow.
سو بلاين بلو يمحو سكدري.
Don't play with it.
Blue, white, brown, black. But I feel like black is a bit too...
Yeah, طب.
Yeah, and you can sort of play back and forth. Maybe we'll go back in here and
I don't know.
just change the shape of this a little bit so it has.
I don't know.
There's no shape for me to change at this point, brother.
You can do that.
But you should
Because
see enough,
on this
يعني.
canvas, you have total and complete power. You can literally do anything.
Oh no, I don't want to use that car.
You have ultimate power. From this
Oh,
piece of
كعودة
canvas.
حاول كي لها لها.
When I go
How
home,
do you mean,
I
how,
don't have
yeah,
power
boy?
of anything but the garbage.
One eternity later.
والله بسأل واد علي حاكمة. Guys حالها سمي كرو وان سمي يعني هان كدب. وح مسا سمي كرو كي سانو إجي هاي إسكو هذا. والحمودي سفر عمود دقي. والله مركزاس أفيري محمد تاجنا حاو. مركا كاميرا سام وجهه والله نحمل. Bloody hell man.
Right, mine.
maalinta koowaad waaye hay kaman xaa ma tusi
Disclaimer, guys. We don't have the same equipment that he does.
waa la ogyahay
Well, B-Tech set up, and this is the first time we're painting.
first time waa waxaan sameynona wuxuu haysta ma haysta anaga shaka Soomaali waayno
We just had to make do what it do.
hay what big do it do lula
I don't know why you're laughing. Like, yours just looks like doom and gloom.
anikeyga abay nafsadeyda ayuu xoogaa maxaa ninka wuxuu dhahayay waxaa rabtiin sawir kalarka rabtiin sawir soo ani kalarkan baan hayaa
No.
how meeshaas hadda ku arkaysid which one looks nice
Yours,
Yeah.
but that's because your light is washing out my sky. Your sky just looks like blood in real life.
ay maan dhiigaa socdan oo dada dhiminayso
Exactly. And whose looks most like his?
Why there's no C in between your things?
Exactly.
I don't know happened to my C aniga
She tried.
Cgay wax ku dhacay
And why is your thing so gloomy?
that's the way I feel with the coronavirus iyo adduunyada waxa ka dhacay
What did I say?
waxa adduunka ka dhacayo I feel gloomy
But you've got a ridiculous number of mountains too. No reason.
Yeah, but
How many mountains?
he
you
has
got?
a lot of mountains.
No, he
1, 2,
doesn't.
3, 4, 5,
No,
6.
no.
1, 2,
This is
3,
one
4,
mountain with
5.
different
shapes
peaks.
it how
Yeah, but I flopped first, so I had to remix it a bit. She didn't even try.
which one do you like which one do you think looks closest Adal iska sheegtay
The sky has is better. The mountains, yours are better. The trees, hers are better. You don't have a C. What is that? I don't know. Rainbow at the bottom.
She tried.
I tried
Overall,
kee ka heshay haddaa qolkaaga mid ku dhigsan lahayd kee ku dhigsani Adal
Bob Roski's.
وببرسكا أني حاول قول كاو متى تقول سنة تقول سنة
Can have, to be honest.
كحاول تقول سنة
Yes.
بعد عن تتكتوس كاو I'm gonna see I think that cake أنا اللي جرنا يعني so that
That's because they're your people.
Listen.
Shit.
cake Haitian
And you have to attach Bob Ross's one.
I can bubbles for Kertin I'm gonna put in the link below I think it looks what
Guys, all my hand has like painting on it. I feel like paint on it. I feel
بس
like
ما
a
نكمل
proper.
هذا
So a lot of her paint there.
Rinji.
paint
Rinji. See, she couldn't even say it. Rinji got in done iyo dhulka wax kasta waa
ها
rinji.
قولي قدر نجوا anyway waa mahadsantihiin waa inoo markale
Ciao.
bye